trumpeting softly, come and play. Tiny ears and happy feet, every morning feels so sweet. Splash, splash in the sparkling stream, water shines with a sunny gleam. The little trunk sprays high with cheer, making rainbows bright appear. Butterflies flutter left and right, colorful wings are such a sight. Baby elephant twirls around, laughing at each happy sound. Friendly monkey swings nearby, waving with a cheerful high. They play together all day long, clapping to a jungle song. Tall giraffe bends down to greet, sharing leaves that smell so sweet. Zebra smiles with stripes so bright, making every moment light. The little elephant counts to 10, then begins to count again, learning numbers while at play, growing wiser every day. A rainbow stretches through the sky, birds and parrots flutter by. The jungle sparkles green and white, with happy friends on every side. The baby dances stomp, stomp, stomp over little grassy clumps. Everyone joins in the fun, playing underneath the sun. Golden sunset paints the trees, softly blowing evening breeze. Baby elephant waves goodnight to glowing stars so big and bright. Close your eyes and dream.